How to respond to a Trademark Office Action Statement of Use. Have you received a Trademark Office Action Statement of Use and are unsure what to do next? You're not alone. Many applicants face this situation, and understanding how to respond is essential for moving forward in the trademark registration process. First, let's clarify what a Statement of Use is. This document is a formal request from the United States Patent and Trademark Office, or USPTO. It asks you to prove that your trademark is actually being used in commerce. This requirement typically applies to intent to use applications, where you initially file without actual use but must demonstrate it later. Once you receive a Notice of Allowance, or NOAA, you have 6 months to file your Statement of Use. You can request an extension, but only one extension is allowed per office action. If you miss this deadline, your application may be abandoned. To respond, start by filing the Statement of Use from using the USPTO's Trademark Electronic Application System. You will need to pay a filing fee for each class of goods or services included in your application. Next, you must provide a specimen that shows your trademark in actual use. This could be a label, packaging, a screenshot of your website, or an advertisement that clearly displays your trademark alongside the goods or services. Make sure the specimen is relevant and clearly demonstrates your trademark in commerce. Additionally, you need to include a signed verification or declaration. This document must be signed by someone with legal authority to bind the applicant and who has first-hand knowledge of the trademark's use. If this declaration is missing or improperly signed, the USPTO will ask for a replacement. It is also important to address any other requirements or refusals mentioned in the office action. Review the document carefully to ensure you meet all legal obligations raised by the examining attorney. If you need more time to gather your specimens or evidence of use, you can request a 3-month extension by paying an additional fee. However, remember that only one extension is permitted for each office action. Once you submit your response, the examining attorney will review it for compliance with the Trademark Act and regulations. If everything is in order, the USPTO will proceed with registering your trademark. Responding to a Trademark Office Action Statement of Use is a critical step in the trademark registration process. By filing the correct forms, providing acceptable specimens, and ensuring all requirements are met, you can successfully demonstrate that your trademark is in use and move closer to registration.